I'm 17 and I like a 14-year-old. Will this be illegal when I'm 18? I'm gonna be 100% upfront with you. Because you're 17 and she's 14. We know you're not like a predator, right? Like it's 3 years. The thing is, it's a very important 3 years. You're not like a groomer or a child predator, bro. You're literally 17. You are a child. But this age gap is odd. And I'll tell you why. The reason is because the age of consent in most areas of the United States is 18. Some places it is 16. Regardless of if it's 16 or 18 though, when you're 18, this girl is gonna be 15. That's not the age where you can consent to a physical relationship. So case in point, if anything physical did happen between you two when you were 18 and she was 15, that would be considered a crime. That's what we call statutory R, which is illegal and not okay because people that are under the age of 16 cannot consent. Most people under the age of 18 cannot consent. So again, I know you're like not a predator. You're 17, she's 14, you might go to the same school, you might be like 2 grades apart, but there is a large psychological and maturity difference between a 14-year-old and a 17-year-old. And that's why there are kind of laws in place. Now, with that said, again, I'm being really upfront with you as somebody who has studied science when it comes to, age and development. Girls tend to develop about 2 years quicker than boys, both physically and maturity-wise. So I get that you at 17 and her at 14 can have decent conversations because maturity-wise, you guys are about equal. Yep, girls, y'all are smarter faster than the boys are. But this is a tricky relationship and you want to be very, very careful because in the end, it doesn't matter what's necessarily moral, it matters what is legal. And having an 18-year-old and a 15-year-old in a physical relationship is illegal. Even if it's socially moral, it's a good, solid line that we tend not to cross to protect children. And that, I think, is a good idea. Just be very, very safe, and I hope this helps.